It is me, Nutty Raya. Do y'all know what we're playing today, bro? We're playing SKATEBIRD. It's a bird on a skateboard, bro. It's literally insane, bro. This is insane, bro. It's SKATEBIRD. It's a bird on a skateboard. Alright, let's just get into it, man. We're gonna be playing SKATEBIRD. It's a bird on a skateboard. I saw it and I was like, bro, why not, bro? Why would I not play this? So let's just go. It's me, Nutty Raya. Y'all know. What color we finna be? Raven, zebra, finch. That cockapoo. Oh, we gotta be a cockapoo, dude. Yes, bro. Yes. No, give me my earplugs. Yeah, my earphones back. Oh, bro. Yes, bro. No. Chain, dude. Yes, give me a chain. What we got? We finna get some capes, boy. Give me that hoodie, dude. Yes, dude. This dude is a pimp. Oh, the Louis. Wait, what? Backwards bandana? No, I thought it was a belt. Yes, dude. Louis Vuitton belt. What's our skateboard looking like? Oh, dude, that's insane. I like him blue. Yeah. Dude, yes, we're done. Confirm. Oh, no. How do we... Oh, shoot. Oh! Right there. Oh! Dude, we go insane with it. We nutty with it, boy. Look over here. Oh, I'm trying to get the buttons. No one told me anything about buttons, bro. Cockapoo, no! He got gunned down. Oh, we're good. Watch this. Insane! Hit it right here. Dude. Oh, 360. Twist. Oh, I thought we died. Okay, what, am I doing something wrong? Oh shoot, cockapoo, you're down again. It's in the same place, bro. Come on, it's a bad luck spot. All right, look. What you want? Who's that? Oh, let me have that mission. Yeah, give me that. I'm finally going to do it. Birb. Jody, no. I'm going to press the ollie button. That's what they sound like in my head. Birb, in my mind. It's how skating works. For real, dude. Oh, we hit a flip trick. Dude, my button got stuck. Oh my gosh. Watch this. We better go insane. Did I do a flip trick? Probably not. Dude, what are we doing? Oh, that would have been insane, dude, if I would have landed it. But I didn't. So, what's this? Dude, you're trash at the game. Oh, dude, we hit it. Dude, I literally landed that. You're capping out of your mind. Oh, dude, that would have been insane. What we got over here? Oh, shoot! I thought we fell off the world. It's pretty cool. Oh, we actually fell. Wait. We can just be down here? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, we can be down here. This is crazy. Oh, What we got? What we got? Oh, shoot. What we got? Flip! Flip! Insane! Oh. Grind the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl. Oh, wait, no. It's a mission. Where you at? Oh, he's right here. Who is that? We're changing some things around here for our big friend. Starting with this mess. I thought you'd never ask. I can't wait. No, seriously. I thought you would never ask. Well, why did you take so long to ask? Okay. You had me. Clearly, I have made a series of mistakes. Grind the Super Bowl. Where's the Super Bowl? Oh. Yeah, tell me where's that? Dude, the Super Bowl. Let me get in it. Dude, we just got knocked out by Super Bowl again. Watch this, guys. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, we're trash at this game. Dude, we keep getting destroyed by a Super Bowl. Watch this, watch it. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm sorry, Kakapoo. I suck at this game, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Right here. We almost made it. We almost waited. Guys, wait up. Insane right here. How do we grind things? Oh. I don't know how to grind. Dude, grind and lip. I'm trying, bro. Yo, are we doing it? Yo! That was insane, bro. That was insane. We're out of this world. Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah. We can do it. Oh, shoot, we fell. We still grinded it though a little bit. How did I do the other one without a problem? Oh, Kakapoo down again. Oh, this game's so confusing, bro. Oh my gosh. Where's the cans at? Oh, those are the cans? What? You ran out of time. There's time limit? That's so unfair, dude. I'm trash at the game. We just started. Oh my gosh. We have 2 minutes to do this, man. Literally insane. You're out of your mind if you think I'm gonna do that. And I keep missing these cans. Look. Get this one. I literally missed it. Get it. And I missed it. And we're down. I'm gonna get all of them this time. Got it. Where'd the other one go? We got it. Nice. Going to the bowl. We went over it. Let's go do this bowl. Oh my gosh, dude. Are you freaking it? We're already at a minute. Where are you going, Kakapoo? Oh, insane with it. We fell. We got it. Dude, we're not gonna make it. No, Kakapoo, get up, bro. We got it. We did it though. We did it. Get the next one. Oh gosh, dude, are you freaking insane? We have 30 seconds. If I lose this, I'm done with the video, bro. Where are you going? Literally, I'm not playing. If I miss this, I'm done with the video, dudes. Oh, insane. We did it! There's only one way to find it. I skipped most of it. What? Okay, we got it. Oh my gosh, that was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Dude, that would have been crazy. Dude, stop! Stop, dude. Come on. Watch this, guys. Never mind. Don't watch that. Watch it. Insane, out of my mind. Are y'all even watching still, bro? Are y'all even still watching, bro? What is going on? Alright, watch this. Insane. What the? I'm doing like one more trick, I'm done, bro. I thought this. It's cause Halo's updating right now, okay? Halo's updating right now. So I was like, let's record something. While it, cause I like to be productive, you know. I don't like to just not do nothing. So I was like, let me play this game. I saw it. Let me download it. I already had it downloaded, so I was like, might as well. Oh, that was insane. Bro, you couldn't have landed that? Watch this. I'm about to grind this whole thing. Insane, dude. That was actually insane. Watch this. Oh, flip. Land it. I'm done. Love you guys. This is probably going to be like the shortest video I've ever made. Love you guys. Hope y'all enjoy. Y'all aren't even making it to this far. Love you guys. We out.